Top indoor flower plants to brighten your winter. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, nothing brings warmth and cheer to a home quite like beautiful, thriving indoor plants. It's no secret that I adore fresh flowers. But during the winter months, vibrant indoor plants are a wonderful way to bring the outdoors in. Welcome to our channel Houseplantslove. These low-maintenance beauties thrive in indirect light and moderate humidity, making them ideal for brightening up your space during the colder months while requiring minimal care. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest plant care advice. Let's explore some of the best flowers you can grow indoors all winter long, adding a touch of life and color to your surroundings. Let's start with the Bonia, a charming plant with delicate blooms that thrive in the warmth of your home. Next, we have the lovely Cichan, known for its vibrant blooms and attractive foliage. For a touch of the exotic, consider the Kalanchoe, a winter-blooming succulent with long-lasting flowers. Christmas cactus, festive cheer. No winter garden would be complete without the Christmas cactus, a holiday classic that never disappoints. If you're wondering what to gift this Christmas or New Year, don't miss our plants perfect for Christmas and New Year gift ideas. Watch now for perfect picks for plant lovers. Link in description and I button. African violets year-round blooms. For a touch of romance, look no further than the African violet with its velvety petals and delicate charm. Geraniums classic beauty. Geraniums with their vibrant colors and delightful fragrance are a true classic for a reason. Kalla simple elegance. For a touch of modern simplicity, the Kalla with its graceful lines and striking blooms is a perfect choice. Lipstick plant. A touch of whimsy. Add a touch of whimsy with the lipstick plant, known for its unique flowers and lush foliage. Anthurium heartfelt beauty. The Anthurium with its heart-shaped leaves and vibrant flowers is a symbol of love and hospitality. If you missed our Anthurium care tips, watch our previous video to learn all about these stunning plants. Link in description and I buttons. Peace lily, serene and air purifying. The peace lily with its elegant white blooms brings a sense of tranquility and purifies the air. Orchids exotic elegance. Orchids with their exotic beauty and delicate blooms add a touch of sophistication to any room. Amaryllis, bold and beautiful. For a bold statement, the Amaryllis with its large trumpet-shaped flowers is a showstopper. Poinsettia holiday cheer. No holiday season would be complete without the poinsettia with its vibrant red bracts. Clivia, a burst of sunshine. Clivia, with its clusters of orange or red flowers, brings a burst of sunshine to the darkest days of winter. Ixora tropical delight. Bring a touch of the tropics indoors with the Ixora, known for its clusters of bright, cheerful flowers. Primrose cheerful blooms. Primroses with their vibrant colors and cheerful blooms are a delightful addition to any winter garden. Paperwhites fragrant elegance. Paperwhites with their delicate white blooms and intoxicating fragrance are a true winter delight. Purple shamrock delicate beauty. The purple shamrock with its delicate flowers and deep purple foliage adds a touch of elegance. Indian mallow, a touch of color. Indian mallow with its bell-shaped flowers in shades of yellow, orange or red adds a touch of color. Goldfish plant whimsical blooms. The goldfish plant with its vibrant orange flowers resembling goldfish adds a touch of whimsy. There you have it, a collection of beautiful and easy to care for indoor flower plants to brighten your winter. Remember, a touch of nature indoors can do wonders for your mood and well-being, especially during the colder months. By selecting the right varieties and providing adequate light, moisture and care, you can enjoy vibrant blooms and greenery, creating a cheerful atmosphere throughout the winter season. If you loved this video, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel Houseplantslove and share it with fellow plant lovers.